Hi, my splendid chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare swordfish with a sauce that I pretty much winged from scratch without a recipe. I gotta be honest, I don't normally make sauces because I'm always watching calories, and because of that, I'm awful at sauces. But I'm trying. What I used to prepare this dish was a nice big hunkin' swordfish steak fillet, pomegranate juice, minced garlic, shallots, fresh parsley, olive oil, and good old salt and pepper. Feel free to switch things up as you see fit. If you don't have pomegranate juice, use what you have on hand. No shallot? Use a little bit of onion, or no onion. No parsley? No problem. Use something else or skip it entirely. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by coating the swordfish on all sides with olive oil. Rub it in, give it a good rub, get it everywhere, try to get it coated thoroughly. And then we're going to season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, we are going to fry the swordfish in a pan on medium-high heat until it's cooked about halfway through, like that. And then we're going to flip it to cook on the other side for another couple minutes. Once the swordfish has finished cooking, remove it to a plate and set aside, and we're going to get to work on the sauce concoction. Minced garlic in, give it a good stir, then we're going to add the shallots next. Get that pomegranate juice into the pan and deglaze that wonderfully delicious fond action. Scrape with your spatula or tongs or whatever you're using, but be sure to scrape that fond off the bottom of the pan. Once the sauce has reduced to your liking, add the parsley at the very end. Plate the swordfish, scoop the shallots, onions, and herbs on top, and then pour the sauce all over and around. This was one of those recipes I honestly fell backwards in love with. I don't even know why I had pomegranate juice in the fridge to begin with. I think my wife must have saw a commercial or something that made her make this random purchase for something we've never had on hand, but this came out delicious. Definitely would make again. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!